Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another Optimize Plus One. So my background is different because I am moving out of my house. So I've lost my chalkboard for a while. So you'll just have to listen to my words. Today, Brian talked about courage tools. So he made it into an equation. So those of you who love math, love equations. So courage quotient equals willingness to act over fear. So you think of it as a math problem. So if your willingness to act is a 10, and then your fear is a 1, 10 over 1 equals, you would actually have 10 as your courage quotient, your courage score. If your willingness to act is a 1, and then your fear is a 10, your courage score would be 1/10, which isn't very good, obviously. So think about that, your courage quotient, your willingness to act over fear, because we're all going to be afraid. I think most of you have known, even everybody says, yes, well, I think I just heard Michael Jordan say he was afraid of when he came back to play again. Okay, so fear is normal. It's what you do with it. So willingness to act over fear. So you have to encourage. The actual word encourage means to give courage. So to encourage yourself, you have to give yourself courage. You need to boost your numerator. So remember, this is what Brian does when he has some fear. You take a deep breath, kind of flip a switch in your head, and then say, optimize. Now what needs to be done? Just what do I need to do to tackle this fear? So he tells fear, when he has fear, bring it on. I'm excited. And take that energy into action, because when we are afraid or we have fear, there's some energy there. So let's put that energy into action. I know some of you guys, whether you play football or basketball, there's going to be a time you see somebody across from you like, oh, wow, he's big or he looks fast. Take that fear and say, bring it on. I'm excited. Energy into action. So that is today's plus one. What are your favorite tools to conquer your fear? Have you been using them? Are they a little dusty? So if you've not got your fear tools out lately, I would suggest you get them out, and let's get your courage quotient up to a 10. Plus one, plus one, plus one for the win.